Hello, this video is here to show you how to install a LAN stick to Canadian Solar inverters to allow the Canadian Solar data monitoring app to communicate to the cloud. So to start, you'll receive the box. When you open the box, you'll take the lid off. You'll see a brochure and a LAN stick. The LAN stick is a simple device. It's got some stickers for a serial number and a COM port and an Ethernet port. So you're going to take this unit to the Canadian Solar inverter only, note the serial number, and note the little raceway that needs to engage onto a groove on the COM port at the bottom of the inverter. You're going to simply screw it on as shown, and then connect the Ethernet cable to the LAN stick and the router. Next, you'll launch the CSI Cloud Pro app on your mobile phone. And on the top right portion of the app, you'll see a plus. Tap that to create a plant. Now you're going to enter the name of the plant. People typically use site name, but you can use whatever you'd like. Your phone will recognize location, and you'll enter the address of the plant. Once you're done doing that, you'll update the time zone to the correct time zone where the plant is located. And then lastly, update system info, mainly installed capacity. You will get an error if you don't update that field. Next, you'll add a new gateway or logger and tap on the plus on the upper right portion of the screen. You can either scan the serial number off the box, the LAN stick itself, or enter it manually. And after you've done so, this is what the screen looks like. So now you've successfully added that logger to your plant that you've created. If you go back to the main screen of the plant, you can see the status is incomplete. You'll want to give about 5 minutes and communication will then begin. And it's as simple as that. Thanks and have a great day.